What happens when you drink hot water every day? We all have our morning habits, how we start the day and what we do first after we get out of bed. Some drink a cup of tea, some a cup of coffee, some first eat breakfast and others just leave the house leaving these things for work. If you drink a glass of warm or hot water on an empty stomach every day, then it will increase your digestion, improve your metabolism and help your body eliminate toxins. Here are some of the biggest advantages of drinking hot water every day that will convince you to start doing it too. Health benefits of drinking hot water. 1. Detoxifies your body. Drinking a glass of hot water every morning will help your body eliminate all the harmful toxins we store as a result of our unhealthy lifestyle. Water promotes the breakdown of food in the stomach and improves the function of the digestive tract. Instead of drinking a glass of cold water, drink a glass of warm water, it will work wonders for your digestion. 2. Help lose weight. Hot water can be an excellent weight loss booster, combined with a healthy diet and a little light exercise. Hot water boosts body temperature, speeds up your metabolism and helps you burn calories faster. It also has a beneficial effect on your kidneys and all excretory organs. 3. Increases your metabolism. Drinking a glass of warm water in the morning will boost your metabolism and help your body function properly. It will also help you to eliminate the stomach pains that are usually caused by slow metabolic function and inadequate digestion. 4. Relieve pain. Many people find relief from drinking hot water when they have pain, especially in the case of menstrual cramps. The heat of the water will relax the muscles of the stomach and relieve the pain. But it can also be beneficial with other types of cramps, not just menstrual, as it improves hair circulation and relaxes muscles. 5. Improves circulation. We have already mentioned earlier that drinking hot water on an empty stomach can help you eliminate toxins and remove accumulated waste from your body. This, in turn, will speed up circulation and promote your overall health. 6. Delays the process of aging. We all want to be young and beautiful forever, and we try to do everything we can to preserve our youth and slow down the aging process as much as we can. Water can help you achieve this goal and prevent premature aging. When our body is flooded with toxins, this affects our overall appearance and makes us look a lot more. However, if we drink a glass of hot water every morning, our body will remove the toxins faster, slow down the aging process and improve the elasticity of our skin. 7. Reduces constipation. Consumption of hot water relieves bowel movements and relieves constipation. Drinking a glass of warm water on an empty stomach every morning improves bowel movements and also reduces the frequency of stomach problems such as bloating, gas and constipation. 8. Improves hair health. By activating and energizing the nerve endings of hair roots, hot water can make your hair soft and shiny. Activation of hair roots can also promote hair growth. In addition, warm water moisturizes the scalp and prevents dandruff. 9. Relieves cough. A natural cough suppressant is to drink a mixture of hot water and honey, which provides both relief and expectorants without a prescription. With fewer side effects, hot water is simply cheap and readily available compared to other medications. Mixing hot water with honey also provides relief from other respiratory infections. 10. Comfort arthritis. In order to get some relief from the pain and discomfort caused by arthritis, hot baths and swimming pools or hot water bottles should be considered. Hot water relaxes and relieves joint aches, cramps and muscle spasms. It also calms the nerves and muscles after exercise and improves blood circulation throughout the body.